Hello friends, in last lecture we will study maps between order sets. Now in this lecture we see some examples from exercise. Examples here, let P and Q be an order set prove that A1 B1 covered by A2 B2 in P cross Q if and only if A1 is equal to A2 and B1 covered by B2 or A1 covered by A2 and B1 equal to B2. See here, if A1 B1 covered by A2 B2, then A1 B1 a strict relation A2 B2. If A1 B1 is related to A3 B3 a strict A2 B2, then A1 B1 equal to A3 B3 by definition, from definition of form. Covering relation. Take this in bracket. Here A1 B1 strictly related A2 B2 from the if and only if A1 is equal to A2 and B1 related to B2, or A1 is strictly related to A2 and B1 is equal to B2. This gives if and only if A1 is equal to A2 and this is B1 covered by B2, or here A1 covered by A2 and B1 is equal to B2. Directly from definition we get this result. Now next example here, in which the following cases is the map phi from P to Q order present. First, P is equal to Q is equal to Z, as usual less than or equal to relation, and phi of x is equal to x plus 1. Here P is Z, Q is Z, relation is less than or equal to Here x, if x related to y in P, P means Z, then x plus 1 related to y plus 1. Okay? In Z, Z means here Q, and this gives phi of x related to phi of y. So here phi is an order preserving. Phi is an order preserving. Second example, P is equal to power set of R. Here relation is inclusive subset with mod S greater than 1 and Q is equal to 2, chain of 2 elements. Q is a chain of 2 elements, and here define phi of U is equal to 1. Phi of U is equal to 1 if U is not equal to phi. U is not equal to phi, and phi of U is equal to 0. Phi of U is equal to 0. Here mod S is equal to 1, sorry, is greater than 1. This implies power set of S is greater than or equal to 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2, because S contains 2 or more elements. 2 or more elements. Okay? Here A, B belongs to P of S. P of S. That means P. Here P of S. Order set P. Now take A related to B means A is a subset of B. A is a subset. Relation is inclusive subset. Okay? If A is not equal to phi, A is not equal to phi, then B is not equal to phi, because B is a superset of A. B is a superset of phi of A. Phi of A is equal to phi of A. Phi means map from this pi is empty set. This pi is map. Okay? Phi of A is equal to 1 and phi of B also 1, and this gives phi of A related to phi of B, because 1 related to 1. Here Q is equal to, this is 0, this is 1, chain of 2 elements. Q is a chain of 2 elements. If A is equal to phi, then phi of A is equal to phi, then phi of A is equal to 0. Phi of A is equal to empty set. A is empty, then phi of A. Okay? And B may be empty or non-empty. And therefore phi of B is equal to 0 if B is empty, or 1 if B is non-empty, and this gives phi of A related to phi of B. Phi of A related to phi of B. Now, third, here, same way, third example, P is equal to power set of ER, relation is subset with mod S greater than Q is equal to 2. Phi of U is equal to 1 if U is equal to S. Phi of U is equal to 0 if U is not equal to S. Same way, here Q is chain of 2 elements, P is a power set of S, S is non-empty, S contains more than one element. Now, A, B belongs to power set of S and A related to B in power set of S. If A is equal to U, A is equal to S, if A is equal to S, then B is equal to also S. Phi of A is equal to 1 and phi of B is equal to also 1, and this gives phi of A related to phi of B. That means satisfied. If second case, if A is not equal to S, if A is not equal to S, then B is not equal to S or B is equal to S. Both possibilities. That means B not equal to S or B is equal to S. Then here phi of A, this case 0, and here phi of B, if B is not equal to S, 0, or phi of B is equal to 1. And clearly phi of A related to phi of B in Q. Q is a chain of 2 elements. Q is a chain of 2 elements. Now, here power set of here is a subset, and Q is equal to 2. U is equal to phi of U is equal to 1. Phi of U is equal to 1. If X belongs to U, if X belongs to, and phi of U is equal to 0 otherwise. Here P is power set of Q is chain of 2 elements. If A is related to B in P of S, that means A is a subset of B. Okay. Here X is fixed element in here. X is fixed element in here. If X belongs to A, implies X belongs to B. Therefore, phi of A, X belongs to A, then phi of A is equal to 1 and phi of B is equal to also 1. And this gives phi of A related to phi of B. Phi of A related to phi of B. If X does not belongs to A, otherwise, if X does not belongs to A, this implies X does not belongs to B, or X belongs to B. Both cases. Here phi of A is equal to 0, and here in this case phi of B also 0, or phi of B is equal to 1. And clearly this gives phi of A related to phi of B. Phi of A related to phi of B. Now, if next, here P is equal to Q is equal to N0 set of whole numbers with relation division, and phi of X is equal to Nx, where N is fixed, where N is fixed in N0. N is fixed in N0. Here P and Q are same. Relation in division. Take X related to Y in P. P means N0. That means X divides Y. There exists K belongs to N0 such that Y is equal to Kx. Y is equal to Kx for division relation here. Now, Y is equal to Kx, then Ny is equal to Nkx. Multiply both sides. This gives Ny is equal to K times Nx. And clearly, Nx divides Ny. Clearly, Nx divides Ny. That means Nx related to Ny in Q. Q means N0, same. And this gives phi of X related to phi of Y in Q. So this is also order preserving. This is also an order preserving. Now, P is equal to Q is equal to power set of N R with subset, and phi defined by singleton 1 phi of U is equal to singleton 1 if 1 belongs to U. If 1 belongs to U. Singleton 2 if 2 belongs to U and 2 belongs to U and 1 does not belongs to U. Or otherwise. And phi. Okay. See here, if you take here all subsets of natural numbers, okay, take A related to B in P. P means power set of if A is equal to 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Here clearly A is related to B. A is related to B. Clearly A is related to A is a subset of B. Here phi of A is equal to phi of A. Here 2 belongs to A, 1 does not belongs to A. So image of this is equal to singleton 2. And phi of B is equal to, here 1 belongs to B, so this is 1. Here singleton 1 is not related to singleton 2 or singleton 2 is not related to singleton 1. The here phi of B is not related to phi of B. So phi is not order preserving. Phi is not order preserving. Okay? We stop here. Thank you.